In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Canon Pixma TS3700 series printer. If you find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So guys, to do this, we need to make sure our Canon Pixma is on and ready to be reset. So you need to be plugged in and you need to make sure your printer is on, and you need to make sure that it has the green button in the top left, the green light, so it's on and ready to be reset. Now guys, I will just explain that this will reset all of the settings on your Canon Pixma. You'll have to, you won't have to set it up fully again, but you will have to set up like the Wi-Fi, the connection, and the admin password. All of those things will have to be reset again. So make sure you know what you're getting into before you do this. All of your connections to your devices will also be reset. So to do this, guys, we want to press the setup button repeatedly until the number 17 appears on the LCD screen. So we just want to press it once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and finally 17. Now we want to press either the black or color button, it doesn't matter which one. And once we've done that, the printer is going to initialize its settings and return them to their defaults. So you're going to see that in a couple seconds. And yeah, that is it, guys. Look, you can see it's kind of already taking back all of its connections. The Wi-Fi is gone, and look at that, it's now done. It's reset back to its factory default settings. That's kind of all you can do for this. There are, if you want to do like a full reset, so back from the very beginning, which to be honest, it's not much different from doing this. There is another guide that I will post on how to do that. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this video did help, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And guys, if you're in the need for any printer supplies, or paper or ink or anything like that, make sure to check out our link in the description, as they are our sponsor is a global printer supply store. They do really good deals on everything all the time, and you'll be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.